My people, military people don't go destroy ESN, Eastern Security Network. Oh, no be small matter for una we no know. Na Nnamdi Kanu dey run am. Una understand? Because since we Nigerian leaders all decide say we do on our own, now so these people can't decide to establish this operation so that they go dey protect each other. And as I dey talk to una now, this matter, my people, I don't know who even start this thing. Now so these people gather themselves. These military people where they talk about, they gather themselves. They enter these people camp for Umuna. As they go there, but thank God, before they reach there, information can't reach those people. Then they say, oh, these people they come, and so they just vamoose. As they reach there, they don't meet anybody for there. Now so they take another direction, go another camp. Those ones they don't already they informed, so those ones too they vamoose. My people, as they say they don't meet anybody, now so they start they destroy the camps. No be small matter, massive destruction. Assuming these people they meet them there. Now they say now another matter we for the talk now. Hey, you go just here say this or not die, this or not. But thank God, una see how God operates. Hey. So una just coordinate operation both in the air and on the land. Now, not even the shame, small shame, not even the catch una. See, sometimes I think say these politicians, if they want to do something, they go face that thing, but they know they think. So right now, people don't gather themselves, form security force based on una own jobless attitude because una not even know una work again. So these people can't take an upon themselves, say, okay, oh, since people were supposed to protect us, they not protect us. May we start this thing. Now so now we do not 10 heads because now be God for this life. Now just send people, make it go. So headsmen now go they trouble these people, make them fold hand. Now wait till una expect. May they not do anything because una be politicians. It's not possible. And thank God say una no even meet them there. Meaning say this thing, ESN. In fact, now it will become stronger than the one way strong before. You understand? So now see, I can't yet serious today because as soon as they see me like this, I know even they smile. So what it can happen now to Amoteku? Una leave those ones. Una can attack these ones. Hey, what a world. No, make una go bomb them too now. Go look for them. Go destroy them too. How come now only this one una see? When it comes to bandits and kidnappers, una go send people into forest, negotiate. Una go come they propagate debates, all debates, all in the name of. I bet una not even believe. Put that picture. Maybe they see what they talk about. They negotiate. Even as I talk to Nana, other set of children don't miss. You know they pass that one, no? They go hide, corner, private affairs. They go settle them. Now even they tell bandits, say they not be criminals. All these ones only for una head. But when the Igbo people now come together, say that they defend each other, una don't they fear, they don't become threats to una. Shame. See, una no even know the meaning of shame again. So make us stop the use shame. Una no even know the meaning. Because if una know the meaning, by now no sure say some things una still suppose they do. I beg go, ESN never kill anybody. Now protect they protect, they no keep person. They never kidnap anybody. But as it be now, they under attack past people who even kidnap, past people who even kill. And meanwhile, those ones who even they kill, the ones who even carry the thing for their head, carry the thing personal, they were carry say na their father, na their father own Nigeria. They no even send. My people, see the country where we they live inside. See the country where we they live inside. Because na Igbos now, una combine air strike, ground strike, walking troops, even wind. Una combine rain, una combine all of them, all the forces, all the things one no say una they use fight. Una combine them now because na Igbo people. When is Boko Haram, una no go do all this one no. Some of una go even they fear. Una go even they see now. If Boko Haram just come, all this, my people, the one who even shock me first, make I even turn at this one. 30 military cars. Now I go for this mission where they tell me about 30, not 3, not 1, 3, 30. Make Boko Haram come. Now go here say the car tire is bad, no fuel, no, they go just bring useless excuse. If na Boko Haram now, una go send people only for ground. Una go promise them say, don't worry, we are sending helicopter, we are sending aeroplane, we are sending heaven, we are sending everything. Yet they no go even show. It happened. Now, so all of them, many of them even die for that operation. They promise they say they go send it, they go send it. My people time reach. If una see people wey die, you know they pass that one for una life. Now so na just they live una life. Promise and fail life. Promise and fail life. You know they pass that one. And I'm not even understand how come una no even they sit down. Una no even they shock. See how come people just they talk plenty about una no even bother. See, ESN now, make una dey alert. You understand? Because as these people come now, when nobody die, meaning say they go get second operation. Very, very important. Make una dey alert. In fact, if before una dey 100% alert, and now una suppose dey 2000% alert. Very, very important because we are not giving up. You understand? You must not give up. Because nobody don't promise you security. All the promise, everybody don't promise. We never even see the security. So if you get means to protect yourself from the headsmen, Biko, do it. You know, go can't die for anybody. It is very, very important. You understand? So Biko, subscribe if you never subscribe, because I know so that they enjoy every bit of everything they drop for here. And I know so no dumb moment with us. And drop your comment for that comment section. If not, me and Una, we not go understand each other. You understand? I need no say we they relate. You know they vibe my vibe, and they vibe una vibe. Stay tuned for our next stories. My people, finally, person just wake up. I don't dey wait for the day where some people eye go just clear. And now it don't start. Anyhow, make we not to jubilate, but my people, now good news I don't bring for now. Governor of Benue State, Samuel Autumn, in eye don't open finally. Oh. According to Ryan, go give speech, you understand? And we are not going to believe the words will come out from this man mouth. He say the president as our leader is not doing well. They talk about Buhari. He say Buhari no they do well at all. So Buhari need wake up, step up in game concerning security and many other things. This thing, it give me joy. And now I bring up because I want make it give una joy. So for now, we don't know who be governor of Benue State and I never hear this speech. Join me, make we watch the video.
The president, as our leader, is not doing well. That is why I'm calling on him to step up his action and act faster than the way it's being done right now. Declare state of emergency on security so that all resources and all strength will be channeled towards ensuring that we have security for lives and property in this country.
Hey, Lai Mohammed, where you dey? I beg. You know, say now you the always they tell us say Buhari administration are the best one. You understand? Come see, no be me speak this one now. Come see your fellow politician. You don't come outside now. Come tell us the real truth. Wetin they had all of una to talk. Now one person don't come outside come talk. This thing alone supposed tell una say all these politicians they know wetin they go on. They know the truth. But either money or fear, no, they let them come outside talk truth. They don't blast them with plenty money. Fear no go even allow other ones to come outside. See, I no go ever trust politicians for this my life. So in as much as I don't come outside say, okay, this one don't talk through, this one, my people, I still not trust them. Because now only God know wetin make this one come outside, can't give us this speech. Yes, he talk through. He do one good move, I know. But still, my eyes, they do like this, like torchlight. And they watch all of them. Insecurity for Nigeria, na Buhari cause am. Na Buhari cause am. And also that go tell me say nowhere is safe, everywhere is the same. But this one was past before. Now wetin una dey fail to understand. And now because he dey defend, he dey favor all those Fulani people. Now wetin dey cause all this one? If all the governors fit come outside, talk the way this man don't talk, Nigeria will become better place, like best place. If everybody know the truth and they feel they behave according to the truth, we go, nobody go get any problem. Nobody go wake up tomorrow say they come protest, if they come, you understand, peace go just reign. But the moment una know say this na white, but una dey act like say e be red, na why wahala dey come, misunderstanding. Nigeria been dey peaceful before now, and I don't forget. See this one now. Now, Government Samuel, even though you made sense, no get me wrong, because now when tell me say they support them, I don't support anybody, I just dey support the truth. And the thing when you don't come outside and come talk, na truth. So, Mr. Samueli, you understand? See, you don't come outside and come to tell us plenty story. You don't forget say now you yourself, not be only you yourself, all of una chase Jonathan out. They make noise, una chase am, the man don't finally come out. So now you don't dey come outside because you see this thing when I start, una go finish am. Because now nothing wey we fit do till 2023. So this news wey they can't give us now, you go wait. Because now una use una hand bring this man inside this thing. Now they come outside. Assuming you still did that APC, you go come outside, come they talk the way they talk now. Question. Now why they tell us say, not only God know wetin happen. We make this man come outside, they give this statement. You understand? If he still did that place, una sure say this man go fit come outside. They give us this sweet speech. Hey, something is hidden. I just the pity. See, some of una, I just the pity una. Any small thing una here, una go start a side one person. As this man don't come outside, make this thing now. Una no go believe how many people don't decide say from today na their best politician be that. No rush to judge people, and no rush to the jubilate, because some kind things. Hey, be like say una don't they forget how these people they behave. Make una no forget say all of them, they be the same. Me, I no go talk past that one. Now you know they shout. This man don't come outside. They shout. Benue State, he do this, he do that. Even they tell us now, say they keep people salary. Say they pay them. Say in fact, he said now he be the most good governor we did this Nigeria. So now, because not be just by your mouth, sir, not be by your words, oga. You understand? So now, all of una way they watch me, una they listen to me now. If you don't say they stay for Benue or you be from Benue, I bet start they talk truth, because una don't watch the video now. All the thing when talk, because he say nah, Benue. If you go Benue, you no go even wish to come back. Like you go just want stay there. So now, all of una way they there because I want testimonies. He don't pay salary. He do all the things when list. I beg, identify them. You understand? Write on there so that we go know, because these people now so their mouth they sweet oh. Make una come outside now, when they talk. Start they tell me, oh, Madam Aproko, na lie. Madam Aproko, na true. You understand? It is very important, because see, we don't need anybody who go come they give us sweet mouth, then behind the scene, if they do another thing. If not true way you can't talk, you understand? If not true way all these things way you talk, God go bless you. God go bless you, because it be like say you don't repent. Because all of una before we know where una been there. Now you don't repent. But if not lie, make I no complete that one. Make we leave that one. You understand? So because Oga Buhari, now your fellow brother don't come give you this one now. He say no waste time, or you don't tell Buhari, send Buhari this letter now. Say Buhari needs step up. So Mr. President, Your Excellency, sir, no be me talk this one. You understand? So I just bring the message so that in case the letter no do you, this video go do you. Please, you need to step up or step down. And step down, I be say you go resign. Anyhow, I don't say many of us now that one be our best option. Or God, just resign. You see, you don't even step up. You don't even want to make you step up again. Because all the chances where we give you so that you go change things, you go step up, you go do, do them. So please, no step up. You understand? That one at the wrong statement where this man go. You for Kukuma say make he resign. So, Mr. President, Your Excellency, sir, Oga sir, they bow for you. You understand? So please, just resign. Step down. That's not the only thing where we want. No step up again. That was a wrong statement. You understand? So my people, now the matter be this. So I don't bring a come. May we discuss am. Wetin una think concerning this important, because this one a real bullet, straight one. So drop am for the comment section. Anything wey you think, anything wey you no think, still drop am there, and e go reach people wey suppose reach. If you never subscribe, please subscribe so that you no go dey miss anything wey we drop. And I know say you always dey enjoy our here and there, you know. Yes, meanwhile, on to our next story.